Send up another bundle of shingles.
We're clear on the facade, move the mixer out.
All right, watch the pressure on the new stones. Send up
Align the chairs exactly with the pool edge.
This planter goes here, right?
Yes, and let's get the lights on, the sun is setting. Align the